Have you ever scrolled on your timeline and saw some really great stuff happening for people? And you just sat in your thoughts like, Lord, I see what you're doing for them. I see you. But what about me? Like, I'm clapping and I'm excited for them. But in the same space, I'm side-eyeing. Because, when is it my turn? And if you sit here and tell me that you've never been in that energy, honey, you a whole lie. And this video probably ain't for you. That's just the human in us. And I know, growing up, everyone tells you comparison is the thief of all joy. But honey, sometimes comparison seems like the whole burglary. You hear me? It will rob your peace. It will steal your confidence. And it literally will leave you thinking like, dang, I'm not even enough. I can't be enough. Am I enough? Listen, let me be real transparent with you for a second. When it comes to YouTube, content creating, I have a love-hate relationship. Because a lot of the times I'm progressing and then I stall. And I'm going to be honest, it's very discouraging. The views don't be viewing. People come and pull up and say, child, where you been at? I haven't even seen a notification for you. And it's not that I don't love creating. I feel like I'm cut out for this, right? But it's hard when you pour into something and you don't see the benefits. You feel like you're not reaping what you sow. Believe it or not, there has been times when I wanted to post and I was talking myself out of it. Like, what's the point? They're not going to push my video out anyway. They being YouTube, the algorithm, you know how they go. Who going to watch? Nobody cares about what I have to say or my content. I have literally second, third, fourth guessed myself. I've even contemplated on stopping altogether. You may not be able to relate to creating content with this example, but I'm pretty sure there's something in your life where you've been discouraged and you've considered throwing in the towel. But I'm going to say this. Every time I get into that space, God always reminds me. It's not that nobody's watching. It's just the right people have not seen you yet. And when it's your time, baby, no algorithm will be able to stand in the way. Do you hear me? Here's what I had to remind myself. When you see people getting blessed, that's not proof that God forgot about you. In fact, that's proof that he's in the neighborhood. Because it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Think about it. Think about it. When your neighbor gets their Amazon package, right? You don't cry about it. You know yours is on the way as well. When you see that van pull up and drop off across the street, you know yours is coming as well. It's just not your delivery window yet, right? You get it, you get it. Sometimes, a lot of the times we think we're ready for that blessing. But truthfully, we ain't even got room for it yet. So a lot of the times, we're not stalled, we're in our preparation season. Imagine you being like, Lord, give me the job. I need this job. Give me the job. Yet you don't even answer emails or got space on your phone for any emails to come in. Lord, give me the platform. Give me the platform. Give me the platform. Give me the viral content. But you're tired of posting after 2 videos. You get what I'm saying? So instead of being jealous, start using other people's wins as evidence. Be in the space of, okay, God, if you did it for them, I know you're going to show out for me. I know it's capable. It's possible. That relationship, that job, that glow up, that peace, that consistency, let that motivate you, not break you. Because when it's your time, you won't have to force it, baby. It's going to flow. Let it flow. Hey, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Everything's gonna work out right now. Da, 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 da. Let it flow, let it flow, just let it flow, baby. Ooh. I'm saying all that to say the next time you see somebody thriving, don't say,
well, it must be nice.
Decree and declare, I'm next. I'm next. I'm next. Even if you gotta whisper it through gritted teeth, child, say it. Because when your season hits, people are going to be saying the same exact thing about you. They'll be like, woo, Lord, I see what you did for Kira. Now don't skip me. Stay patient, stay consistent, and stop doubting. The same God that blessed them got your name on something too. Now let me call you back.